Welcome to 90 Seconds Test. Today we are unboxing a water tank. But this is no ordinary water tank. This is the Rheem Marathon. It is a water tank made of plastic. This means it is lifetime warranty. You have to register online, of course, to have the lifetime warranty. Exceptional warranty for peace of mind. Corrosion resistant. Inside and outside. Yeah, no corrosion. Money saving, energy efficient design. Lightweight unit is easy to handle and install. Easy to maintain. Well, you place it and it stays there forever. And no to replace. Ever. You just place it and it's there forever. So let's see what's inside. Instruction and lifetime warranty are probably inside. So there it is. This could be your last water tank. You could see the instruction to how to install it in the video just right here on my other how-to channel. Also, if you want to buy it, there is a link in the description if you want to order it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe. What do you see back there? It's from my main channel. Please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!